Hey YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, the ultimate destination for all the latest trends in women's footwear for 2025. This year, stiletto high heels, moles, and sandals are taking center stage, offering a perfect mix of glamour, sophistication, and innovations. Get ready to explore stylish and redefine elegance and versatility. The return of the stiletto. Stilettos are reclaiming their dominance in the fashion world with bold and modern designs. From sky high heels to kitten variants, there's something for every tasty. Expect to see metallic sands scenes in gold, silver, and rose gold, adding a luxury whip to your ensembles. Designers also embracing spectral heels with artistic shapes and geometric accents, transforming footwear into wardrobe wearable art. Materials this year emphasizes comfort without compromising style. Look out for premium leathers, stun finishes, and eco-friendly options like vegan leather. The pointed toe stiletto remains a classic while option 2 open toe variants paired with ankle straps are becoming a go-to choice for evening wear for casual looks. Slingback stilettos and moles offer the perfect balance of ease and Chinese. Sandals redefined sandals. Sandals in 2025 bring an exciting twist with innovative straps, patterns, statements, buckles, and vibrant color palettes. Flat sandals are all about comfort, featuring padded footbeds and ergonomic designs, while heeled sandals are playing with bold contrasts. Think transparent straps paired with jeweled embellishments or neon hues with neutral bases. Chunky platform sandals are making a strong comeback, offering height without sacrificing comfort. These designs work perfectly for our casual outings, beachwear, or even semi-formal events. Gladiator sandals too are back with the modern edge, featuring metallic finishes and asymmetrical straps. Placements for our evening styles, sleek, minimalistic sandals with coastal accents are trending color and patterns. Color trends this year are vibrant and versatile. Jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red dominate the palette, while pastels remain popular for spring and summer collections. Animal prints, especially snakeskin and leopard, are making waves, adding a wild yet classy touch to any outfit. Macro charm footwear in bold colors like electric blue or hot pink. It is also trending, often paired with matching outfits for a coaches look. If you prefer something understand nude tones and soft metallics, provide an effortless, elegant alternative. Styling tips and occasions. Wondering how to style your 2025 footwear? Stilettos pair beautifully with tailored trousers, pencil skirts, or evening gowns. For a casual yet polished, we opt for sling bags or heeled sandals with cropped jeans and a blouse. Platforms and gladiators are perfect for bohemian outfits like maxi dresses or flowy skirts. For formal settings, sleek stilettos in neutral tones are a timeless choice. Do not forget to accessories. Matching your footwear with statement corsets or handbags can elevate your look, while adding delicate and anklets can highlight intricate scarf designs. the future of women's footwear. As we move forward, sustainability is playing a significant role in the fashion industry. Brands are focusing on eco-conscious materials from recycled fabrics to biodegradable soles. Innovations like 3D printed shields and adjustable designs ensure that 2025 footwear is not just fashionable but also future ready. The legacy of Stiletto heels have a history rooted in empowerment and elegance. In 2025, this legacy involves with futuristic designs that cater to the bold modern woman. Expect to see stilettos with transparent heels, LED lighting, and even interchangeable straps to suit different occasions. These are not just shoes, they are statements of confidence, comfort meet styles. 2025 marks a shift